So guys, today's video is about Episoden. It is a online platform to learn English. So I'm gonna explain you what is it and how it's going to work. So guys, this is the website. You can just type in your favorite browser the name Episoden and click the first link. The interface looks something like this. It is for learning English, global English conversation website to video call. The good thing is of Episode is it is completely free, no ad. You don't have to pay a single penny. So first the thing I'm going to show you how to sign in is very simple. You click on sign in and you can sign in with your Facebook or your Google account as well. After that you can make your profile. You can type your name, your last name. You can type your nickname right over here. You can type your where your country belongs to, where are you from exactly, your date of birth. After that, select your gender, click continue and click continue. Simply go to home page and you are all done. You can start a session from here. You can just simply click over here to start. If you want to allow your webcam, you can. I'm just going to blur my image. You can allow webcam. You can see my image. I'm going to blur this, and after that you can start now. Click over here.
Right, arrow.
It's Aaron.
If you are having a suitable partner, if you don't even have a suitable partner, so you don't have to worry because a friendly host is going to be with you. You can even find this website link in my YouTube description, so definitely you can check it out. And right over here you can see some options right over here, and they are also having their own YouTube channel. You can just, I will highly tell you though, definitely you have to subscribe and make sure you turn on the post notification to all so you can get the latest upload by Episode. And they are also having Instagram page right over here. You can definitely check out and definitely follow as well. Also Facebook page. So guys, definitely I want you to sign up. It is for free, no charges. As you can see over here is written. So guys, show some love to this site. And guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to Episode channel. So guys, till then, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.